this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like landmark reviews, location, price, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, there is nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. On the screen, you can find all the restaurant details we provide, information about the visit and meals of dietary options. Room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category second. Room category third. Room category fourth. Room category fifth. Room category sixth. Room category seventh. Room category 8. Next we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online or enjoy your stay. Pets are allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is fine and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The resort accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 2 p.m. and the check-out time is 12 p.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can call us by emailing and we will help you. For booking or more details, check the description. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are